Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to give you my top pick for the best mountain bike flat pedal, which is the Hope F20. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, which is greatly appreciated. And this review will be accompanied by me actually installing the pedal. If you're looking for information on all the pedals I reviewed, you can read the blog about it on my website. It also shows a handy table so you can quickly compare key metrics to choose what's right for you. You can find a link to that article in the description below. There's two things I hate most when riding, which is misshifting and your foot flipping from the pedal. And the latter is what happened too often for me not to do something about it. Besides, the entire bike is being redone with premium parts, so it was a good excuse for me to get a real solid pair of mountain bike flat pedals. So why the Hope F20 then? There seemed to be a general consensus that these pedals were one of the best, if not the best pedals out there. Well, it's almost funny to think how bad caged pedals are for MTB riding versus the current generation of flat pedals. And you don't have to look much further to see huge difference between the two. We've come a long way with the amount of money we're willing to invest into a set of pedals, and there's a 10x difference between the two. So the Hope F20 has to offer more than just looks. And with a 110 x 102 x 14 millimeter setup, the Hope F20 is normally sized for current type pedal. But if you compare that to the VP 992A, the thing becomes absolutely huge. It is much slimmer though, with the VP width measuring 21 to 25 millimeters. It means that the Hope F20 with the 4 millimeter pins installed is still thinner than the old pedals. And the combination of pins and size will ensure that the grip of the old pedals pales in comparison to the new ones, which is exactly what I bought them for. The VP 992A have a claimed combined weight of 330 grams, and the Hope F20 are one hair away from tipping the scales across 4 ounces with a claimed weight of 390 grams. The weight of the F20 is pretty average for aluminum pedals. Now there's a huge difference in build quality between these two, but the Hope F20 are in a league of their own. They can withstand a tremendous amount of abuse, and they are built to last. The body is a single block of machined aluminum, and my guess is the axle bends before something will ever happen to the body. Its construction with several arched bridges looks so strong, I doubt if anyone ever had problems with these pedals. It's anodized and multiple colors are available, and the chromo axles run through sealed cartridge bearings, and the Hope F20 pedals are known to have fantastic seals. At first lock, this seems to be the case, with the axle rotating smoothly, but extremely tight and without any grease bleed after a couple of runs. You'll receive 10 spare pins, which are rear loading, so even if they are badly damaged, you won't have any trouble replacing them. And some people are complaining about the fact they have to screw the pins in themselves, saying you shouldn't have to do that for the amount of money these pedal costs. I saw a figure of about 30 minutes for doing this. I do not consider that much time, and I did it in less than 20 for the pair and enjoy the process. So yeah, you have to do the pins, big deal. Unlike the original pedals, you'll need a 6 millimeter hex wrench to fix them into place. And the axle does not hold slots for a pedal wrench. However, this installation process is simple, very straightforward. The combination and size of 20 pins per pedal, 10 for each side, make the grip of the Hope F20 immense if compared with the pedals they're replacing. But when compared with other modern day flat pedals, I can understand why some people would say these pedals are not the grippiest. And this means that while riding, you can still slide around your foot on the pedal somewhat on the upward stroke. I also own a set of DTT Max with 28 pins per pedal in a very pronounced concave shape, and where your foot is on that pedal, you simply won't be able to move it anymore. And That means the Hope F20's grip is perfect for the bike they're on, since I mostly use the bike for road use. So that concludes my review of the Hope F20 and the top pick of the best mountain bike flat pedal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what your thoughts are of mountain bike flat pedals, what your favorite pedal is, and I hope I can welcome you again for the next video. Bye for now.